Welcome to Camper Cooler. Here's a short video to show the ease of installation of Camper Cooler on your RV. Camper Cooler comes in its own bag, comes with the necessary clips and tarp strings to tie down and attach it to your trailer. And here's how simple Camper Cooler is. Take the Camper Cooler out of the bag, and one thing you'll need is a little step stool, an old step stool to carry with your RV when you go camping. Okay, once you have Camper Cooler in place, you put one clip on one side in place and then walk around to the other side of the trailer to install the other clip. Once you have Camper Cooler in place, take the attachment straps, hook it to the very most bottom of the Camper Cooler, slide it up till it grips the Camper Cooler. Throw the string over to the other side. Okay, pulling the string across, attach the other clip to the bottom of the Camper Cooler on the other side. Climb up and make sure you have Camper Cooler properly in place at the top. Tie the string to the bottom strap and pull it until it's tight against your Camper Cooler. Don't pull it too tight, just make it snug, so it'll be a little bit wind and weather resistant. Once you have the 4 straps and 2 clips in place, your Camper Cooler is fitted to your trailer. And now you're ready for the sunshine.